eriong kabajurn kala Khyrwit na phang bon tli ki shnong Ri-Bhoi district ha kababon na ki yeng ki sam ki da julwa bat shakta bat danru ki yeng ki bla sha ban ha ki ding ki bla klam ha ki yeng ki sam tang hadien ke jingkhe ke eriong bat ke jingbam dan boarding ha ke district na kalyang DC lembat ke officer na do ki BDOS kila shang ke jingelang bakerke man pen poi kila jingerap shi ki longïing ki besyak tajur da ki terpa bat kumjuru ki marba marti Habakrench kila pathai kubor na kalyang abilaj Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka Ri-Bhoi District uloong bakat kum ki jingyo jingtim na ki Block Development Officer BDO long ba hadu shispa sau penyo teli ki shnong ki belah shakta hak eriong kaba selat napang hinin kamit bat palat hajar teli ki longïing kila sha penjulor bat shakta hak te ki eriong hak babon ki yeng kila julor jur kat ba kat tu kat ni kila shakta malumala
Yo, Krishna.
So yesterday, after a late night storm, today we took a meeting with all the BDOs, with all the line departments to assess the damage that has been inflicted upon the entire district. So as per the compilation, as per the latest report that we have received from the BDO so far, a total number of 147 number of villages have been affected. More than 1,000 houses, I mean 1,028 houses to be exact, as of now, have suffered damages of various extents. Some houses have been fully damaged also, and some houses have received partial damage. Simultaneously, as far as the utilities are concerned, there was one landslide, small landslide at the on the Umling Patharkama road that has already been cleared, so that road has been restored. As far as electrical lines are concerned, that have suffered maximum amount of damage also. So, for example, near Umiam there has been some severe disruption. Barnihat also there has been disruption in the 132 kV lines, and simultaneously, as far as Nongpo is concerned, the 33 kV line is still yet to be restored. However, we are closely coordinating with the MEPDCL also to ensure that all these lines are restored as soon as possible. As far as relief measures are concerned, we after the meeting that we had with the BDOs today, we had instructed our BDOs that they will be going to all the to as many villages as possible to assess the impact, to connect, to basically reach out to all the people who have received the brunt, whose houses have been affected in the yesterday's storm. We have also disbursed dry ration and tarpaulin sheets in form of immediate relief to all these households, because collection of bank accounts and assessment of damage and then ultimate dispersal of the relief amount, which is basically the relief amount in terms of monetary compensation, that will take some time. But for immediate relief, we have disbursed dry ration through our FPS centers, as well as we have also disbursed tarpaulin sheets and blankets. Simultaneously, we have issued a public notice. I'll be sharing a copy with you, wherein we have circulated numbers of block offices, of DC office. If anyone within entire district feels that they have not received the relief despite being a victim of yesterday's storm, they can reach out to us, and these numbers will remain valid for this entire monsoon season. Whenever they feel that their houses, their infrastructures have suffered damage, they can reach out to us, and we'll make sure that immediate relief can be provided to them. We are also in close coordination with media. I want to thank our friends from media who have been calling me since morning and reporting me damages, and simultaneously very thankful to the local representatives also. I'm in touch with all honorable MLAs of Ri-Bhoi, and they have also reported different sorts of damages, which we are taking into account while dispersing relief.